Hello, it's Gem Games, and in this quick episode we are going to make the game feel a little better. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's go to the PP first person character, and let's find the input action reload, and let's move this uh, reloading from here, and we have to on ADS also at here. Okay, and then we want to go to here and move the finished. I will move it to here and make this here. Is also like this. And now we can actually add a branch to here. And we have to get player controller is input key down. Let's connect it to here. And the key should be right mouse button. And if it is, we can call the ADS like this. And if it's not, we can have to add a new branch and actually connect this to here also. And the false have to connect here like this. And I will, oh, sorry, I will move this to here and to here. This. And yeah, now we have to copy this from here, add it to here, and now we have to get the left mouse button. And now we want to call the fire macro and from here. Now let's check if it all works. Okay. Now, so if we are ADSing and we reload, yes, it will move it back there and open the ADS again if we hold the right mouse button. If we are shooting and we reload, it continues shooting when it comes back. Okay, that is working. Now we have to go to the decrement clip ammo and add a little branch to here. And we want to check if the current ammo clip current greater than 0. Not boolean, so if it's not greater than 0, and the get player controller and input key is input key down if it's oh, and boolean, and here also. Now let's move this to here, and if the left mouse button is clicked, then it should, oh, we actually have to add a get the fire type, get equal to a, wait a second, oh, it should be equal num like this. If it's equal to automatic, then we have to add a one pin here and connect this also. Now we have to add the reloading this one. So yeah, and also we want to add the can't reload just to be sure. Okay. Okay. And after that, we can compile and save. And now we want to go to the auto fire to here and add a little branch to here. And we have to get the, if the current clip, ammo clip current is greater than 0, then we can do this. And now we want to go to the fire trace. We would want to add a branch to here before. And it should be, oh, is it going downwards? Maybe it is. Okay, no, it's good. Is reloading get not boolean? Is reloading not? If it's not reloading, everything can be. So yeah, compile, save, let's go and try if everything works. Now if I shoot and reload, it will continue shooting after if I keep the left mouse button pressed. Okay? And if I ADS and shoot and reload, oh, if I ADS and shoot and reload, okay, if I, okay, now it has some another lag. But yeah, okay, let's fix that on the next episode. I don't know why it's doing it that way, but yeah. Or actually, let's fix them on this episode. Sorry, I am still a little bit sick by the coronavirus, so my head is not working correctly, but yeah. Okay, let's go to here and let's copy the is reloading, stop firing, and on ADS. Copy and delete. Let's move the reloading to here. Now let's open the reloading, and I will add all those things to here on the start. Control and V. Now we have all those here. This. I think now the bugs should be fixed. Let's try. Okay, if we ADS and shoot. Okay. Yeah, if we ADS shoot and reload. Yes, it does still have some bugs, but yeah, we already fixed a few ones that I noticed before, but it should be working better now. Working pretty okay. So yeah. Okay, I think this was all for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.